If you're planning to leave Facebook but don't know how to delete your account, whether it's for a digital detox, privacy concerns, or just taking a break, deleting your Facebook account is simple. In this video, GadInsider will guide you through the process into easy-to-follow steps on how to delete a Facebook account. First, log into your Facebook from a computer. Now click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings. Click on Your Facebook information. Click Deactivation and Deletion. Select Delete Account. Now click Continued Account Deletion. Click on Delete Account again and enter your password and click Continue. Once done, your Facebook account will be deleted. While it is important to note that you can cancel your account deletion within 30 days by logging into the deleted account. After 30 days, you'll no longer be able to retrieve your account.